Hello, flashlight people. Japan PC20 410 lumens, running 2 hours. Yeah. Generous button hole, easy to activate, but no strobe mode in this twisted position, loosened position. Oh, it's not strobe. SOS. Just before this video, I set the strobe. Anyways, this memory function is not stable. Large LED, and this one, QuarkX1232, large LED, clear XML, neutral white. They seem to have discontinued regular cool white LED for this model. Always comes with neutral white now, and max lumen is 360 and running time 1.7 hours. But they say on their website that neutral white is 7% less powered from 360, so this one has 335 lumens. This strobe activation is easy in the turbo mode, and loosened mode, moonlight, I don't need this mode at all. Low, medium, high, SOS, and beacon. Moonlight, it's too much for me. Anyway, it has no Oh, it has a memory function. I didn't know. Really? No, no memory. Anyway, too much mode in there. This one, Phoenix PD30, Cree R5, XPG R5, very small, and 257 lumens and 2 hours 37 minutes running time. Very small numbers. And easy activation of the strobe. This strobe is very high frequency, and this cool white color is very annoying and glaring. Loosened mode always start with low, medium, high, and SOS, and low, medium, high, SOS. It's very simple. I like it very much. This functional change is very stable, preferable. First, I'd like to compare these two. The difference is LED depth. LED depth. Oh yeah, shallow LED. And reflector is orange pilled. Smooth reflector, deep. And next, I'd like to compare these two. Same depth. LED size is different, large and small. Okay, let's go out home. Left side is jet beam PC20. Right side is 4/7 QuarkX1232 neutral white. So here we go. Maybe you can see the spill size and hotspot size. Hotspot size is pretty same, and brightness. Jet beam is substantially brighter. Spill is larger on the 4/7. Jet beam and 4/7. Okay. PD20 and jet beam PC20. PD30, I'm sorry. A single garage, two garages with the jet beam PA20. Okay, this is the basic beam pattern. The right side is 4/7 QuarkX1232 neutral white. The center is Phoenix PD30, very narrow hotspot. Left side is the jet beam PC20. These two lights makes a dark spot at the center, but this 4/7 orange peel reflector makes very little dark spot or no dark spot at all. This difference. For now, for me, it's kind of difficult to memorize each flashlight name correctly. Phoenix PD30. I like its simple operation. Middle 4/7 QuarkX1232 neutral white. I like its warm color and very even hotspot, wide hotspot. I like jet beam PC20 for its absolute brightness. In the hand, this sound is very comfortable. They are all very tough aluminum bars. You know, it might make scratches, however, very comfortable sound and feel in the hand. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.